XM or Vantage?
Choosing the wrong broker could cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year through wider spreads, higher trading costs, or slower trade execution.
The surprising part is that many traders don't realize it until months later, when they look back and see how much of their profits have gradually been eaten away by unnecessary costs. So, between XM and Vantage, which broker is the better fit for you? In today's video, we're going to compare these two brokers based on the factors that matter most to traders,
including reputation,
trading costs, platforms, trading tools, and the type of trader each broker is best suited for. Let's start with reputation. XM was founded in 2009 and has grown into one of the largest brokers in the world. Serving a massive global client base, the broker is widely recognized for its educational resources, frequent webinars, and strong customer support. Meanwhile, Vantage was also established in 2009 in Australia and has built a solid reputation within the global financial trading industry. The broker is known for its professional trading environment, reliable technology, and competitive trading conditions. When it comes to reputation and experience, both XM and Vantage are well-established brokers with a long history of serving traders around the world. Next, let's look at trading costs. XM offers a variety of account types with trading conditions that are easy to understand and accessible, making it a great choice for beginners. The overall experience is designed to be simple and user-friendly. On the other hand, Vantage stands out with its raw ECN accounts, offering lower spreads and faster execution speeds. This is one of the reasons why many active traders, scalpers, and high-volume traders prefer Vantage. If you are new to trading or don't trade very often, XM can easily meet your needs. However, if you're trading daily and want to reduce your long-term trading costs, Vantage often has the advantage. The next factor is leverage. Both XM and Vantage offer competitive leverage options for international clients. However, instead of focusing solely on which broker offers higher leverage, traders should pay more attention to risk management and capital preservation. Leverage can increase profits, but it can also magnify losses if not used responsibly. When it comes to trading platforms, both brokers support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the two most popular trading platforms in the industry. The real difference lies in their support ecosystem. XM is highly regarded for its educational resources, including webinars, tutorial videos, and free learning materials for beginners. This can be a major advantage if you're still learning how to trade. Vantage, on the other hand, focuses more on advanced trading tools and features, making it attractive to experienced traders, EA users, and those who rely on automated trading strategies. As a result, the target audience for each broker is slightly different. XM is generally better suited for beginners who want a structured learning environment and plenty of educational support. Vantage is often preferred by experienced traders, active traders, and those looking to benefit from a more professional ECN-style trading environment. So, which broker should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for educational resources, a supportive environment, and a simple trading experience, XM is definitely worth considering. If you're already an experienced trader, trade frequently, use expert advisors, or want to reduce your long-term trading costs, Vantage may be the better option. However, the most important thing to remember is that there is no broker that is best for everyone. There is only the broker that best fits your trading style, experience level, and investment goals. If you've already decided which broker is right for you, you'll find the official registration links in the description below. By signing up through those links, you may gain access to exclusive community benefits, including reduced trading costs, the latest broker promotions, and step-by-step guidance for everything from account registration to deposits and withdrawals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future broker reviews, trading education, and market insights on this channel. Now I'd like to hear from you. Are you currently using XM or Vantage? Leave a comment below and share your experience with the trading community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.